Now, if you are on a budget and you have been thinking of creating a channel and post videos without showing your face or recording your voice, you might want to consider using a text-to-speech software. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 things you need if you want to start a text-to-speech channel on YouTube. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 main things you need to start a monetized text-to-speech channel on YouTube. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in starting, growing and monetizing your channel videos, make sure to join us in the YouTube Talk Facebook group where we discuss topics like these. And don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, if you can use text-to-speech in a very creative way, that means if you can put in a funny or thoughtful spin on a content that you did not originally create together with a text-to-speech audio sound, what you are doing is transforming the content in some way, and YouTube accepts transform video content for monetization. So in other words, YouTube allows text-to-speech video content on their platform if viewers can tell that the video is adding value on the YouTube platform. Here is an example of a creative text-to-speech monetized channel on YouTube. And as you can see, after clicking through one of the videos, there is an advertisement playing alongside the video. Now, if you listen to the audio content, you will clearly hear that the voiceover of the video was made using a text-to-speech software. Listen to it.
90% of the computing hardware was very antiquated and out of date. I saw a lot of Dell computers from the mid-2000s still being used.
Now, the main reason why YouTube allows channels like this to be monetized on their platform is that the content is not a repetitive content. Every single video on the channel is different, and also because of the fact that these videos provide some educational gaming value on the platform. Now, make sure to hit the like button below this video and keep watching if you would like to know the basic things that you need to do if you want to get your text-to-speech videos monetized on YouTube. Here are the 3 main things that you need when starting a text-to-speech channel on YouTube. Of course, the first thing is getting the right text-to-speech software. Text-to-speech softwares are basically used to read text aloud. The sound you listen to through a text-to-speech software is a computer-generated sound, and you can always control the reading speed by speeding it up or slowing it down. There are many video creators who will tell you that their main problem isn't creating the video content itself, but creating the voiceover of the video is their main problem. Now, you could easily hire a voiceover artist from, say, Fiverr or some other freelance platform, but all that will come at an expensive price, which is why text-to-speech softwares come into play. There are many different text-to-speech softwares online. The only problem with most of them is that they do not quite sound right. Many of them tend to sound mechanical or absolutely robotic, which makes getting the right tool of great importance. Speechello, for example, is a good text-to-speech software that will help you transform your text into almost a natural human voice. Just listen to the breathtaking text-to-speech voices from Speechello.
My name is Arthur, and I'm from London. I'm one of the most used voices from Speechello. Whenever you need a trustworthy voice, I'm here for you.
Hola, me llamo Rosita, y soy de México. Siempre que necesites un artista de doblaje en español, estoy aquí para ti.
Je m'appelle Fini, et je suis l'une des voix féminines françaises de Speechello. Ma voix est parfaite pour les vidéos éducatives.
The voices are coming from many different countries with different accents. Here is the full list of all the countries Speechello is offering. Now, just check out how you can create a 10 minutes long voiceover in just 10 seconds using the Speechello software.
In this short video, I am going to show you how easy it is to generate perfect voiceovers. All that you need to do is paste the text that you want to transform into voice. After that, you need to select the voice that you want to use, and you have a lot of voices to choose from. In this case, I'm going to select this voice. Now you can adjust the speaking rate and make the text sound a lot faster, like you hear it right now. You can hear the speaking rate being increased, right? It's very easy to increase the volume. Can you hear how loud this sounds? You can also add longer pauses. Exactly like I did right now. If you want, you can emphasize certain words, it's that easy. Speechelo can increase speaking rate, add pauses, increase volume, emphasize words. And as you just heard, I can add inflections in my voice and enumerate with no effort. That's it, you now hit generate voiceover. In just a few seconds the voiceover is generated, and you can now listen to it or simply download it on your device. It's really that simple to generate perfect voiceovers using Speechelo.
The second thing that you need to do to get your text-to-speech channel monetized on YouTube is avoiding reuse content. You see, you can easily lose your chance of getting your text-to-speech channel monetized on YouTube simply because you are using repetitive or reused content in your channel videos. Reuse content on YouTube simply refers to channels that are using someone else's content without adding any significant original commentary or educational value. One of the main reasons why most text-to-speech channels are demonetized on YouTube is because of reuse content, which is very bad in the eyes of YouTube. So when creating your channel video content, you want to make sure that each video is different in some way or form, either by its visual or by educational value in the video. It needs to be somewhat different. That way, if your channel ever gets demonetized due to the text-to-speech over voice, you can always request for a human reviewer to check out your channel content, and most often than not, your channel will be remonetized after the review. The third thing you need to get started with a text-to-speech channel is a video editor. As a video creator, you always want to make your videos continuously engaging and of high quality. To make all that happen, you will need a video editor, and any basic video editor that can import videos and audio files will work just fine. Now, if you choose to use video clips, say from the YouTube Creative Commons, a better video editor for you to use will be the Swamp Video Editor. You can use the Swamp Video Editor to easily import Creative Commons videos from YouTube, trim them and put them together with your text-to-speech auto-generated audio to create a unique and attention-grabbing text-to-speech video. I will drop the link to this video editor in the description box below this video if you are interested. Now, although you can monetize your text-to-speech channels on YouTube at the present moment, there is no sure way of predicting what will happen in the near future. So if someone, for example, wants to copy your channel with the exact content, the actual text-to-speech software you are using, and the exact voiceover, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to grow your channel. Which is why it's not always wise to keep on using the text-to-speech softwares. At a certain point in your channel growth, you should start consider using a real human voice, either your own voice or pay someone to do the voiceover for you. That way, you'll be staying safe from YouTube demonetization. Again, there is no doubt that creating a text-to-speech channel on YouTube is possible, and as you have already seen, there are channels using it to make money on YouTube. And as I've already mentioned, using a human voiceover is always the best choice of growing any YouTube channel. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope you learned something new on how to start a text-to-speech channel on YouTube. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.